Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Bosch Thermador Gaggenau refrigerator ice maker assembly, part number 702092. The Bosch Thermador Gaggenau refrigerator ice maker assembly, part hashtag 702092 is a replacement part for Bosch, Thermador, and Gaggenau refrigerators. This ice maker assembly includes the ice maker, water valve, and mounting hardware. It is designed to replace the existing ice maker in your refrigerator. The ice maker produces up to 12 cubes of ice per cycle and has an adjustable cube size selector. The water valve allows for easy connection to your home's water supply line. This part is made from durable plastic and metal components for long-lasting perform. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty ice maker. Assembly in Bosch, Thermador, and Gaggenau refrigerators. It can fix symptoms such as the ice maker not producing ice, the ice maker not dispensing ice, or the ice maker making too much noise. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the lower kick plate from the refrigerator and locate the ice maker mounting bracket. 3. Attach the ice maker assembly to the mounting bracket using the provided screws. 4. Connect the water line to the inlet valve on the back of the ice maker assembly. 5. Plug in the refrigerator and turn on power to activate ice maker operation. 6. Adjust temperature settings according to manufacturer's instructions for optimal performance of your Bosch Thermador Gaggenau refrigerator ice maker assembly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.